RAF Lucas, Scotland, home of one of the world's fastest planes. The Tornado F3. The pilots and navigators here are all on QRA, Quick Reaction Alert. When the alarm sounds, they have just minutes to scramble to defend British airspace.
These guys work at top speed, but when it comes to the kitchen, they haven't got a clue how to be quick. Morning.
Well, the main problem with time during the day, we actually only get about maybe half an hour for lunch.
We don't really know how to cook healthy food quickly at all. That's why at the moment, in the short gap between flying, we're eating pretty rubbish food.
The state we're in, to be honest, we're reduced to cheese toasties, which is pretty inadventurous, really, for a bunch of men that fly very expensive, nice toys.
These guys say they have no time to cook, but I'm here to prove no matter how little time you have, anyone can cook good food fast.
What an absolute beauty.
Not bad, is it?
Unbelievable. Tornado?
It is F3.
F3. Look at it. My God.
Royal Air Force finest air defence fighter.
The best of the best.
Best of the best, yeah.
In cooking terms, it's 3 Michelin star.
Twice the speed of sound.
Just over 1,000 miles an hour.
Yeah.
1,000 miles an hour?
Just about that, yeah.
You fancy trying it?
Wow.
You want to come out for a ride, we'll try and show
I
you
would
that too.
fucking love to get in that thing.
Yeah.
I'm the luckiest chef in the world.
You are.
I'm not even in there yet, and I've already wet my pants.
The pilots can experience up to 7 times the force of gravity in the F3, so it's vital I wear the right kit.
Oh, God, it's beautiful. Unbelievable. Oh my God. That's amazing. Holy shit, how close are they? Fucking hell, that was a quick one.
I'm travelling at 840 miles an hour. That's 14 miles a minute.
Fuck me. Are we upside down? We are upside down. Jesus Christ almighty. Oh my God. Fuck me.
That was a ride of a lifetime. Thank you very much.
Brilliant fun as well, it's good fun.
That
Sport
was
of
fast.
Kings.
I tell you what,
Sport of Kings.
I can't eat a fucking thing, I've lost my appetite.
I'm starving.
Oh, you're starving.
I am starving, and you said you're going to cook for me, so...
Fucking hell.
They've shown me their skill in the air. Now it's time to get them up to speed in the kitchen.
Still feel a little bit faint.
What you need is a bit of food, mate.
Bit of food, yeah.
Lunch.
Toasty in for you.
Toasty if you want it.
Fucking hell. Now, I'm absolutely amazed, I'm gobsmacked. On the back of what I've experienced, and, a fucking thrill of a lifetime without a shadow of doubt. You can't survive on a toasty.
So with only 25 minutes until their next flight, I'm going to teach them how to cook something that doesn't come between 2 slices of bread.
OK, gentlemen, I feel the need for speed now, yes? Something very simple, straightforward.
Stop timing.
And bloody good for you, yeah? A really nice pan-roasted cod with chorizo and a fragrant rice peeler. Sausages in. Fry off the chorizo. It gives a really nice flavour to the cod. A little bit of sherry vinegar. How long to the next flight?
Oh, we have to get straight after this?
Time to get a move on.
OK, so onions in there, that's for the rice. Cardamom, star anise, a couple of cloves, cinnamon stick. The smell of that now is amazing. And for the cod, we're going to be cooking the cod on the skin, OK? A, it's packed with protein, and it keeps it nice and intact.
You're laying it away just to stop splashing
stop
yourself?
splashing, exactly that, yeah. The colour on there now is absolutely perfect, yeah? This is a bit of a different sort of take on a toasty for the guys now. What do you think they'll think?
Can you put that in a toasty?
Huh?
Exactly.
Little check on our rice. And we're ready to serve up, guys.
Great.
Yeah? Now, for me, the most important thing there, of course, was the speed. That there's 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Happy?
This is fantastic.
Really yeah, absolutely brilliant.
Good food, but fast food, yeah?
It is, yeah.
Gentlemen, that was a fucking pleasure. Huh?
Light one. Yeah, it was the same.
And I'm glad I got my appetite back. I'd like to say thank you. They're extraordinary, yeah? stay off the toasties. Yeah?
Will do.
Will do.
Yeah? And I'll stay out your cockpit, OK?